How to sew a full lining to a dress. First, get your bodice lining ready. Do not forget to stay stitch the neckline. It is basically a straight stitch right along the seam allowance. It is to prevent the neckline from gaping. Match the shell and the lining together. I mark this V so I can easily see when I need to turn the needle or the fabric. Then stitch along the neckline. I folded the fabric in half and marked the center fold of the bodice. Same goes for the skirt and the lining. To make it easier to match the skirt to the bodice, so I match the right sides together and pin along and stitch along where I place the pins. Off topic, but this fabric is just super beautiful. I repeated the same with the lining. So you just want to match the right sides of the fabrics together, and if the lining is a tad longer, it is okay because we can easily trim it. I'm just going to stitch where I place the pins. And it should look like this. As you can see, it is nice and neat inside the dress. Now the next step is adding the invisible zipper. Stay tuned for that tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you, and if it did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you again. Bye!